Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your Motorola Moto E40. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Now let's install it. So after opening it, you should see something like this. And here you need to grant two permissions to the app, and the first one is overlay permission. Find NotifyBuddy and allow display over the other apps. Do the same thing with notification permission. And last right here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move on, and from here we can start using this app. So there's 4 tabs. First one is user. Here you can select any app to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. So let's select Facebook for that. You can choose unlimited amount of apps, so just pick whatever you want or all of them. Next is system, and here you can find all system bound apps and just select any again. Let's go for the clock in this case. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated and also deactivate them here. In the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen or color, whatever you want, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's pick the test and see how the LED lamp looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.